Hi SM, I've had a look at sliding doors for your space in the last few minutes. So here we have sliding doors, sliding. What I've done is the way I've designed these is, let's just get rid of the body. What I've done is I've sketched onto the floor this sketch here, and then I've put these, so let me just show you what's going on here. We've got, this door is fixed for the moment, so this is fixed over at the left hand side. This is the overlapping door which can move in front of the left door and the right door. Doesn't matter which door overlaps, but the general principles always end up being the same. This door can move right the way over here, and this door, and the same with, this door would be able to move, but this door can only move until it touches this door here. So what we now have to start looking for is, if this basket moves out, it's pulled out, and this basket is drawn out because they're on runners, we have to look for the points where this door and this basket might clash. So excuse me, on the sketch on the floor I've put these lines on the positions where these doors are at the extreme ends of their movement, and what I've discovered is, if we put the space back in and let's make it transparent, because we have an imbalance in the doors, we've got this asymmetrical shape here. What you have to do is you have to create a packer here so that this line and this line don't interfere with the movement of these baskets. These lines are the extreme positions of the doors. So if, for example, if the doors were too big, you can see that if this door wasn't able to move, this basket, when it was drawn out, would interfere with the door, so it has to go past that line. If you don't have this packer, the doors become too big and they start interfering with the baskets. Now this packer, this pillar that I've shown here, it can't extend beyond this line or it starts to clash with that edge of that basket. So if you want to have the doors fit and work with the Alpha equipment, this thickness here, this orange line here, it can't be bigger than 141 millimeters, and it can't be smaller than 108 millimeters. And I'm going to put this all on a 2D drawing for you, but otherwise that is it's a fairly simple, equally sized doors. I haven't looked at doing unequal doors. It might be that you can solve that with unequal doors, but they will end up costing you more, so it's not worth it. You need to build this little nib on the end here between 141 millimeters and 108 millimeters.